Continue, please.
So, he has traveled all over India, but he has never gone abroad. Fill in the blanks in the following sentences with the present perfect form of the verbs given in brackets. Purchase from Daskar Bazaar a beautiful lamp shade to gift to her friend.
So has or have plus V3 of purchase.
Yes.
So what is it?
So it is Meena purchases from Daskar Bazaar.
It says form the present perfect tense. So present perfect you must have has or have plus V3 of purchase.
Had purchase.
Had. It is has or have. Had purchased is past perfect tense.
Has purchased.
Has purchased, yes. Next. So Meena is singular, so has. Has is S ending. S for singular. Singular subject, singular verb. Meena and Trisha. Meena and Trisha have purchased. Meena and Trisha is a plural subject, so have is plural because it does not end in S.
Okay.
Therefore, you tell the difference between has and have. If the subject is singular, use has. Subject is plural, use have. Plus the V3 of the main verb.
Okay. So Meena have purchased.
Meena is singular, no, so you must use has.
Has.
S for singular.
Okay. Meena has purchased.
B.
So I cannot accompany you. Became
Because
I finished. I have not finished.
is correct.
Not finished. He gave me a beautiful pen.
No, it has to be the present perfect. Have or has plus V3.
He ha he has given me.
He has given me.
He has given me. He has given me beautiful pen. Saina Nawal. Saina Nawal had brang
No, no,
blow.
no. Brand is not a word. I'll tell you. V1 is brings. V2 is brought.
Okay,
Present participle is bringing. V3 is brought. Brang is not a word.
okay.
So Saina Nehwal is singular.
Hmm.
So will you form the
Has brought.
correct.
Has brought. Okay. The Prime Minister has announced
Okay.
that the victims.
Cool.
Now look at the following sentences and study the verb pattern. Have you seen my purse? It is in blue color.
Blue in color. See, where's the present perfect there?
Uh,
We have, which is the word in V3 form.
just
How do you understand how do you identify V3? It ends in D, ED, and EN, not T. So which word?
So from D.
No, seen.
C.
Seen is in V3.
Mm,
C, SE, V1. Okay?
okay.
Saw is V2. Seeing is present participle. Seen, SEEN. D-E-D-N-E-N-O-T. So,
Okay.
so seen is the V3. So the present perfect is have seen.
Okay, sir.
But because it's a question, the auxiliary comes first, then the subject. Subject is you. See, suppose
Right.
you interchange. You have seen my purse. You have seen my purse means it's an assertive sentence. Subject comes first. You comes first in an assertive. Subject comes first. But if you interchange subject and verb, you have you seen? It becomes a question. Okay?
Mm.
So anyway, have seen is the present perfect.
Yes.
Okay. Second,
How much time have you spent in making his sweater?
identify the present perfect. Let me see.
Hmm. How much time
See, search
need to
have.
spend?
Huh?
How much time needs to spend
No, no,
in?
no.
No?
The question is identify the present perfect. You should also listen. Okay.
Okay.
Before you speak, you must respond to the statement or the question. Okay.
Okay. Hmm.
So just as you know, you must understand what you read like that. This is also necessary, isn't it?
Right.
Okay, now second question. How much time have you spent in making this sweater? So, see, you have to identify the present perfect, right?
Hmm. Right.
So you have to identify have or has. So you have.
Right.
Then V3 is spent. D-E-D-N-E-N-O-T. Spent is ends in T.
Yes.
So have spent is the present perfect.
Okay.
So why does it have you spent? It's a question. So in a question, the subject comes in the verb phrase, in the middle of the verb phrase.
Right.
Okay. Third one,
What have you brought from the market?
which one?
What?
No, identify the present perfect.
Okay, so. Hmm. I think there is no present perfect.
Not relevant perfect. Present perfect.
Yeah, present perfect.
There now.
Market
No, no, market is now. Present
brought.
perfect. Brought is one of the words, which is the other one.
Brought and
Have.
have.
Have brought is the present perfect.
Yes.
Okay. Then, okay. So next page.
Both sentences are in question form. They begin with has, have, and interrogative words how much. The verb from is the present perfect tense. The structure has changed from a statement to a question.
Statement means, see, we saw that, right? You seen my purse? First sentence.
Right,
Statement, how do you make it into a statement? You have seen my purse.
right.
How much time have you spent in making his sweater? You have spent much time in making his sweater.
Okay,
What have you bought from the market? You have bought, you have bought what from the market?
right.
So that's a question. So Suppose it brings some carrots, right? You have
Right.
bought carrots from the market. So interchange subject and verb. Have you brought? You have brought. Have you spent? You have spent. Have you seen? You have seen. So statement to a question. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Exercise 2. Okay, this type of question you may get. So see, in exercise 2, what, which, how much, where, who, why, when, how many. Those are all WH words. Okay?
Okay.
So see, if you take where, it will probably ask for a place. Okay?
Oh,
Who asks for a person, right?
right.
Why asks for a reason? When asks for a time? How many asks for a number? How much asks for a quantity? Okay?
Okay.
So write a question against each sentence keeping in mind the underlined words. Choose appropriate interrogative words from the above words. So WH words are also called interrogative words.
Right.
Interrogative words means they ask questions. Okay?
Okay.
The first sentence is done as an example for your statement. I bought a new car cane chair in the defense colony. Where have you bought this cane chair from? So if you see, you must get the underlined word as answer. Where have you bought this cane chair from? Defense colony. Okay?
Okay.
The next statement. Steve Seema has brought a pair of jeans for you from Mumbai. What has Seema brought for you from Mumbai?
Right.
A pair of jeans. So B statement, they have visited the Golden Temple in Amritsar 4 times. Which of the WH words in the list will you use?
What? Which?
No, no. Among them, which one will you use? 4 times,
WH
you
word.
get 4 times as the answer.
Where?
No, no, 4 times.
Four types.
All of them.
Okay.
Uh, okay.
Why?
Get the last one.
No.
How many times have you visited the Golden Temple? You get the answer 4 times.
Okay. In which page, sir?
Page is 250.
215. Okay. Exercise 2, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, uh, how
No, no, no. How
many?
many?
Okay. How many?
How many times have they visited the Golden Temple and Amritsar? So you get the answer as 4 times.
Right.
Okay, try the next one.
Hmm. He has gone to Mumbai to study engineering.
You should get Mumbai as answer. Mumbai is a place. So
Yeah, Mumbai.
which WH word will you use?
Uh, which Mumbai?
No, which you won't get Mumbai as answer.
Okay.
Oh,
Why Mumbai?
why is the reason
Okay.
for a
And
place?
when?
When is the time?
Uh, Then, uh,
Where has he gone to study engineering?
where has, yeah, okay, okay, where,
We get Mumbai as the answer.
right.
Okay, try the next one.
Ramesh has given you a shirt for your birthday. Uh, Umair has given you a shirt for your birthday.
No, for Ramesh, which one will you choose?
Ramesh,
Hmm. Who has given you a shirt for your birthday, Ramesh?
okay.
Correct.
Right.
Okay, try the. Okay, wait. Uh, okay, my father has spent 3 hours in writing the story.
Yeah,
You should get my father as answer. It's not been underlined. You should get my father as answer
okay.
on
Father.
the question.
Father, where father has spent 3 hours in writing the story.
Not where.
Hmm.
You must get father as my father as answer.
Okay.
Who has spent 3 hours in writing the story?
Right, right,
Because not been underlined, right?
right.
Okay.
Okay. Who has spent?
Next, non-finance, a long chapter. Stop.
Yes. Actually, can we continue this chapter tomorrow? Because my phone battery has finished.
Okay, we'll continue tomorrow. What about this evening?
Evening.
Night,
Uh,
around 9:30 after dinner.
I think
We'll
I'll.
just uh, we'll just finish non-finance. I'll read.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I'll call you around 9:30. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye.
Bye.